In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to do motion tracking in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and I have this sample footage right here that I would want to do some motion tracking into. So I'm just going to expand this for a bit. And then from here, the first thing that we would need is that we need this one right here. Click on the button editor and then go for show guides and show rulers. Make sure to drag them right here under your tools and then click on OK and make sure to enable them so that you would have this. And now you would want to position your subject first. So wherever you'd want to position it. So let's say I would want it to be in the center. So I'm going to go and make it as centered as much as I want. Right there. So I think I would want it to be consistently at this frame because I would want the head of this person to be constantly at the center throughout the duration. So now I'm going to bring out the guide. So I'm going to go drag it from here and make sure that it is at the center of my object, which is this person's head. Right there. So now I'm satisfied with that. And now from here, make sure that your plate is at the beginning. You want to go here into position and then keyframe it. And basically from here, we'll be doing this manually. Unfortunately, we won't be able to do automatic motion tracking here in Premiere Pro unless you have a plugin to do that. So yeah, we will be doing this manually, but don't worry, this is very easy. So first is that we have now tracked the first frame right here, and then now we're going to go 5 frames forward. So that is holding the shift button plus pressing the right arrow key. And then you will now be moving 5 frames forward and make sure again that it is in the center so you can adjust the position accordingly right here to create that keyframe. Another 5 frames, another 5 frames, and make sure that it is in the center just like that. And 5 frames again, it's still in the center, and this one is not. So I'm gonna go into adjusting the position, and then this one again, adjust again, just like that until you get it into centered every time. So I'm gonna move again, and so on. So that's it. You just have to do this for the rest. Alright, so now I have done some motion tracking for a bit, and this is now the result of our manual motion tracking here in Premiere Pro. So here it is. And as you can see, we have now successfully motion tracked our object here in Premiere Pro, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.